Are you a client of Pesra Consultancy Limited? Are you a potential client? By the end of this session, you are going to know if you are a potential client of Pesra Consultancy Limited. I'm going to explain to you, and you are able to know which services we are offering as Pesra Consultancy Limited. Okay? Right now, I have 3 clients. Where do you fall? I will start with the first client. I have categorized my clients into 3. Okay? I have 3 clients. Okay? The first client of mine is business owners. Okay? Are you a business owner? You want to be in control of your accounting department. You want to be updated, given necessary information. You will not be paying penalties after penalties because you were not updated in time. Do you want such things? Okay? Is that what you want? You want someone who is updated, who will update you every now and then on the changes happening in the economy, considering I am an economist, on the changes happening in accounting world, especially issues to do with Kenya Revenue Authority, someone who can help you interpret what is happening. Okay? Do you want such person? Okay? I am here for you. Let me give you a scenario. Most business owner, you don't do reconciliation every month, especially bank reconciliation. You wait until the end of the year, that's when you start doing bank reconciliation, which is very difficult sometimes. You don't even remember those transactions that you did. Because even when you look at your textbook, you cannot trace. So it's good you do bank reconciliation every month. You are able to know and even to identify which expense is taking most of your money. Okay? So do bank reconciliation every month. That's where you are able to identify bounced check. You are able to identify some transaction that happened, and you are able to control things. Okay? Don't wait for things to happen. Make them happen. Make them happen in your business. As a business owner, you are the one who is responsible. In case something happens in your business, in case they don't do tax filing in a correct way, you are the one who is responsible. So it's good to be updated. Just have a rough idea, a general idea on accounts reports that they are supposed to give you at the end of the month. Not forgetting, this notion, most business owners don't prepare balance sheet every month. And balance sheet is a very important report because it gives you the true picture, the financial health of your business. Especially, let me give you an example. When you look at your balance sheet and you see that your debtors are increasing, it means that you need to do more correction. You need to do more of debt recovery. So it is so very important to prepare a balance sheet because it will tell you that you need to do more of debt recovery. You are able to see the true picture, the true financial health of your business. And if you have not been doing that, don't worry, we can start now. This is the time that you are supposed to start, especially now we are in February 2026. It is the best time to start this because only 1 month gone. Okay? So we can do bank reconciliation for January, and also we are going to do each and every month you are supposed to do bank reconciliation, prepare balance sheet. Okay? We can start now. It is the beginning of the year. Stop guessing. Stop guessing at the end of the year. You don't know how your business is doing in terms of accounting. You have built this business with a lot of stress. Okay? Now you don't want it to come crumbling down. Okay? So take responsibility. Know the health of your business. When you know the accounting part, you are able to make a decision. You are able to take risk and avoid risks that can make you fall. Okay? So you are able to make better decision. Stop guessing. Let your accounts be accurate. Okay? Even when you are preparing, even you are paying for taxes, pay taxes that are accurate. Sometimes you can find that you are paying more taxes than you are supposed to be paying because you are not keeping accurate record. It is not always paying less. Sometimes there are people who pay more than they are supposed to pay because they have not been keeping records. Keeping accurate record, it's very simple. Very simple. It's just recording every day. Immediately a transaction is done, you record. It's a very simple thing. People make it complicated, but it is something very simple. It's just being diligent, okay? Posting when immediately the transaction comes and keeping records. As a business owner, if you know there is a credit note that was written, you make sure they are going to combine it with that invoice, okay? You keep your records somewhere. Even if you have an accounting system, also you need to have hard copies. You need to have that file. Keep it somewhere very safe, okay? So that you are able to retrieve even when the accounting system is not working. So am I clear? So if you need someone who will update you each and every day, someone who will help you be in control of your business, know what is happening in the accounting department, who can come and do internal audit for your business, I am here for you. Okay? Start now. Don't be scared. It is not that complicated. Keeping accurate record, it is just an everyday affair. Everyday affair. Okay? Don't postpone. Okay? Most people postpone. They wait until the record, there is a backlog, which is a very hard job. Okay? So through my experience, accounting is an everyday affair. Every second, every transaction is done. You record it. Okay? You record it, you keep backups. You don't only record, you also keep backup. Okay? Let there be backup. If one fails, you have another one. Okay? So you are able, even when the KRA approaches you and tells you you have tax arrears, you are very bold. Your documents are there. Okay? You are able to explain to them. You cannot run away because you know your records are okay. So accounting is not complicated. Do business with people who also pay taxes, because as for me, that my company, it's going to pay taxes. Okay? When you enter, when you pay me for services rendered, obvious I'm paying taxes, so it will be acceptable. That commission, that withholding tax that you withhold and just pay on my behalf, obvious it is going to reflect. So just do business with people who pay tax to avoid all those back and forth and stress and everything. Okay? So that when it comes to e-teams, you are able to trace your transaction. Okay, so I have said that the first person who is my client is a business owner. If you are serious, you want to keep accurate records. Okay, first of all, before even you go to tax accounting, you have to keep accurate records. So if you are serious on that, you want to keep accurate record, just call me. I am here. I will help you keep accurate records and know things that you are supposed to do, mistakes to avoid and all that. I will be advising you. This is a journey that is not ending. Okay? So the first client I have said it is the business owner. The second client, you are a potential client if you are an accountant. You are an accountant, There is something you have been told by your employer to do. You have been told to prepare payroll journals. All that, something you have been told by your employer to do, but you don't know how to go about it. Okay? I am here for you. You can consult. You can consult. You can ask me, how do I go about it? I have been asked to prepare a balance sheet. I don't know how to go about it. Which question should I ask my boss so that I can be able to prepare a balance sheet? Sometimes your boss will tell you prepare a balance sheet and they don't tell you anything. They are expecting you to ask questions. So you need to ask them questions, okay? You need to ask. There are questions you are supposed to ask them, especially you are a new accountant in a company and you have been told just prepare a balance sheet and you have not done it before. It is not complicated. You just need someone to take you through, someone like me, who will take you through in deep how to prepare a balance sheet, the importance of a balance sheet. You will not only prepare it, you will know the importance on and how to interpret that balance sheet. Okay, so if you are going through, you want someone who can teach you these matters accounting. You are working in a company, you don't know what to do, you have been told to do such a task. You can call me and I can help you do that. I can help you understand. Obvious, maybe I may not do it for you, but I will help you. I will facilitate. You can consult me and will tell you how to go about it. Okay? So accountants, you are my client. In case you need help, in case you need clarification on a certain matter, you can call me. Just don't do it with doubts. Just call me and I'm going to help you. Okay? So the third client of mine is a student. You are a student, you are doing your CPA, you are doing your accounting, some of you have finished, and you want to convert that theory that you learned in school to practice. You want to convert theory into practice. Just call me. We have a conversation. I help you understand all that accounting you did. Obvious, it is sometimes things are so technical. You even wonder if you are going to apply them in the workplace. But if you want to convert theory into practice, okay? Maybe there are jobs that you are applying and they are asking someone who know how to file pay. Just come and I'm going to show you how to go about it. And when you get to that interview, you are going to be very confident because you already know how to go about it. It is not complicated. You just need someone who can help you understand. Okay? You have that theory in your head. Obvious, that's a good thing. So when you come and we learn, you are going to learn and you are going to understand. Okay? For me, when I was I finished my accounting part and I wanted to, for me, I didn't have someone who I can call and ask how to go about this when I am employed as an accountant, what should I do? What do I expect? Okay. You need someone who will tell you that. I didn't have someone who I can call and I ask them how to go about it. Okay? How to be an accountant. What's the first thing I should do when I step in that office? As a first time accountant, I didn't have someone who was doing that, who I can consult. Okay? So I know how you get a lot of, you are stressed up. You don't know what to do. Sometimes there is no other accountant in that office. You need that job, but you have no one to guide you in that office. I know you have no one, but now I am offering myself. You just pay me a small fee, and I am going to show you. I am going to take you through what to expect. Maybe like the way I've told you, maybe it's an employer. He wants you to be filing pay. He wants you to be filing NSSF. He wants you to be filing NSSF. Okay? SHA. It was called NHIF sometimes back. All that. And you don't know how to go about it. Okay? And you don't want to make a mistake. When you make a mistake, there will be penalty on the part of the employer. Your salary will be cut. So you don't go there. You don't make sure you don't make mistakes. Okay? You cannot make mistakes because I am here for you. You have someone to consult how to go about it. And when you do it the first time, when we do it the first time, you are going to understand. You have finished your accounting part. It means you are able to do this job. So don't be scared. It is not that complicated. We are just going to learn together, okay? So if you are a student, you want to learn accounting, obvious, I will be teaching in my YouTube channel, Cairo Global School. I will be teaching accounting. And I will be teaching accounting in such a way you can apply it in the real world, okay? You are going to understand accounting in a way that you can be able to do application. You will not be cramming the day of the exam because I will make sure you understand the concept, okay? You will understand the concept. You don't need to cram. You just need to understand the concept and you are going to apply that concept when the exam comes, okay? So I have said I have 3 clients. I have business owners, students, and accountants, okay? Are you among them? Are you willing to learn? Okay, obvious. You will either be an employee or an employer at some point. You need to know how to keep your accounts, okay? So I think everyone need this knowledge. So I hope you have just listened. You know where you are, okay? This is just a retro bit of what I will be doing in that company. This is a retro bit. It's a sneak peek, okay? It is a journey that has started. I will be explaining to you different things at different times, okay? So stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cairo Global School. I will be teaching you more and more and more.